This is the Cao Dai temple in Hoi An. The founder of this religion is a man by the name of Ngo Van Chiu. In the late 1800s, Ngo established a new set of beliefs centered around Catholicism and traditional Chinese folk beliefs. Refusing leadership after getting many followers, Ngo went into seclusion. In 1926, a follower by the name of Lei Van Zheng assumed leadership and became the first pope of Cao Dai. Lei signed a declaration affirming principles that combine Buddhism, Taoism, Confucianism, Christianity, and Chinese folklore. The Chinese name for the religion is Da Dao San Qi Pu Du. Adherents engage in practices such as prayer, veneration of ancestors, non-violence, and vegetarianism, with the goal of union with God and freedom from the Buddhist realm of samsara. The number of devotees worldwide is estimated to be between 4 to 6 million. Within Vietnam, there are about 2.5 million devotees in 2015, according to the UN. You can read the rest from Wikipedia. The most un-Chinese thing about this Cao Dai temple is the neatness and the abundance of space. From certain angles, the arches and pagodas make it look like a mosque. Then there's the divine eye of the Buddha. The inside is quiet and serene, as quiet as a church mouse, almost literally, as the inside does look like a church. Here we can see pillows for the devotees to kneel during their rituals. The marble pillars and floors, the familiar yet unique altars and murals are breathtaking. From the gallery upstairs, the view of the hall is equally inspiring. Everything seems so peaceful, but Cao Dai once had a militant wing which resisted Japanese occupation in the 1940s. After the communists took over in 1975, Cao Dai was effectively banned until 1997. The lifting of the ban was conditional. Secret rituals involving divine revelations were not allowed, and the practice of Cao Dai had to be supervised by a governing council. Vast numbers of Chinese immigrants have been settling down in Hoi An since the 17th century, giving the city its network of canals, an exotic blend of French and Chinese influences. Within this colorful melting pot, some temples have remained authentically Chinese.